What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sneakerbot Club, where we post live cops, tutorials, and reviews. In today's video, we have a live cop of the Yeezy 350 Breds and the Jordan 11 Jubilees. Now, before we get into the video, I do want to apologize for the lack of content lately. I've just been extremely busy with work and family stuff, but that's all under control now, so you can expect a lot more uploads from me going forward. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications to get notified every time I post a new video. Now, for the Bred release, I accidentally forgot to record my second screen, so I'm missing half of the footage from this drop. Originally, I wasn't even going to upload the video since I was missing so much footage, but I managed to put something together for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. People are checking out on submitting card, submitting order. Oh, don't tell me it froze. Submitting order. Submitting order. Yep. Oh, got one. On I think I'm submitting order on one for me. Oh, there it is. Second one. Checking stock. Another one submitting order. Submitting order. Got another one. Yep, got him. Got 3 on. Submitting. Oh, got a 4th one. Did I check out? Got him. 10.5 for Nate. Got another one. What did we get? 9.5 for Bryant. I got a 3rd one for 12 Jane. Oh, I got one for Adriana. Alright, the 4 a.m. releases went pretty well. We got a ton of pairs on Footsites, a couple on Finish Line, JD Sports, a couple on Sporting Goods. So up next we have Undefeated dropping at 5 a.m. So I did pretty well in the last release. I'm going to do everything exactly the same. Let's see how it goes. Mountains or hills, traffic lights. Got one on Undefeated. Up next we have the Jordan 11 drop on Footsites, Finish Line, and JD Sports. Now for this drop I was only running for a few slots, so I wasn't trying too hard. So just sit back and enjoy. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed the content, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, make sure you guys check out all the sponsors. I have them all linked down below in the description box. And if you have any other video ideas for me, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. Alright guys, catch you in the next one. Peace.